to me.
You actually have something?
I can't tell. Oh, we have something.
Dude, let's freaking go.
It would not fight though. It's a pike.
Dude, let's freaking go, dude.
Heck yeah. Look at this thing. My first pike of the year.
Dude, let's go, buddy.
It's not rocket. Look at that jump. Let me bring him to the boat launch. Look how he's perfectly hooked.
Bit of an acrobat, dude. Nice, dude. Well, I didn't think it was gonna happen that quick.
Just like that.
But maybe this muddy water's got him fired up a little bit.
Honestly,
For anything that's obnoxious.
it's just a little pickle. He's not happy. Look at that though.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh yeah, nice little river pike to start off the day. Nice one, Justin.
Thank you.
There we go. That's simple. Sweet. Nice one, dude. Yeah, if you looked at his face, he's been caught a few times.
Yeah, you see that big sore he had?
Yeah. Both sides of his face, actually. Nice. Well, I guess that's a good way to start the video, I would say. We're out here at the river trying to catch some pike, out here with my buddy Justin. We're just gonna be chucking and winding, making a bunch of ruckus subsurface and trying to get on some fish. So based off of how we started, hoping it'll be a good day. So let's keep fishing. Throwing a shaky head with a wire leader for these pike, because I want to get it around cover and structure, but I don't want to snag. And Justin's throwing a pretty much just a small spinner bait. Best way to put it.
Seeing this right now?
What?
Dude, this is like some killer bridge action. Like,
100%.
honestly, I could live under here.
Like a troll.
Like, oh, dude, no, not like a troll. Like one of our freedom fighters, our zealots, the homeless people. They are the strength and the backbone of America.
That's, I don't know. I don't know if that was one. Oh, that's one right there. What the heck? Oh my gosh. My guy.
Keep going. 3 times.
Oh, I couldn't, my hook never got exposed. That's the one thing I wanted to, this is kind of experimental, the shaky head here.
Let me see if my unexposed hook will expose me. Oh. It did.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, I might need to change it up a bit.
Slime wiener.
Exactly.
Let's not let him bang against these rocks too much.
He hit my bait like 4 times, bro, in one cast. You called it. We all knew it was gonna happen.
Okay, there we go. Second little pike of the day.
That's one. That's not even a pike. That's a largemouth. Hey, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. First fish of the day is a little chunky largemouth here. All right. That's the nice thing about that really finessey leader. You don't really cut yourself any bycatch or anything, you know. He was not afraid at all to hit that little finesse pike rig, as I like to call it. Sweet, nice little chunk. Get back in there. That's one right there. That feels more like a pike. Yeah, came right off the bank. Oh no, it's another largemouth. My guy. It's a bigger one too. All right. Not bigger by much, but enough to definitely dog us a little bit more. Yeah. We may have this rig outfitted for pike, but we're caught up with Justin on the amount of fish, and we're catching bass. That's pretty nice. That is a good feeling right there. Dude, he absolutely choked that thing, just inhaled it. That is what I'm talking about there. That's like the odd situation where if you're fishing with like light line and they choke it like that, and they're shaking their heads like crazy, they would fray your line. Later, dog. Sweet. Well, we haven't hooked and landed a pike successfully yet, but really, I'm stoked about that. I'm stoked about that. I ain't complaining with some largemouth bass any day. Can we make this a two-man hole? All right. Thank you. I appreciate that. Amen to that, brother. Amen to that. Oh, amen to that. Amen to that.
Amen to that. Amen to whatever that thing is like.
Look at this thing. Put him on a bun with some mustard and ketchup.
That is the pike I've been on.
Let her hand here. Yippee! First pike of the day.
It's a stunner.
Bring him home and put him in my fish bowl. Well, he is small, but there is no doubt those dinky pike are quite pretty. Generally don't have any messed up fins or anything, got the speckling on them. And some of them, when they're small enough, he has a little bit of it, they have that little teardrop under their eye. Black teardrop, kind of like a pickerel. Back in there with you. Just sprinted over here. Justin caught, I'm guessing, a 32-inch pike. That's what it's looking like. Just over 30. Man, nice one, Justin.
Nice one.
That is a beautiful pike. I didn't know they made them that big around here.
They don't. This one's a factory defect. Look at that. There he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes. Just kicking off strong.
We should give him a little nudge.
Maybe poke him. There we go. That's what we needed. Oh yeah. That's one. That's a good one. That's a good fish right there. Oh, that's a good fish. Any day. Oh, that's a good one.
One. He's got a big one. He's got a big one.
Stay on there for me. Okay, if you're gonna pull any crap, pull it out there. No way. Okay, no funny business in this crap, buddy. I don't want to lock down on him too much, but okay, you need to run out there, buddy. Run out. Come on, don't do that to me. I'm gonna have to like step in for this thing. Okay, he's running out. He's running out. He's running out. Okay. Oh. Okay. What the heck? He's stuck, and I'm also stuck. Holy crap. We're both not doing good. All right, come on, buddy.
Hey, that's a stud.
It is a stud. I don't want to lose him or anything. I just want to get him around those reeds. Vaughn, we might need you. He's just sitting there, but I can't really do anything about it. Because even if he takes off, my line is still on those reeds. Okay, I got him out, I got him out, yeah. I need to weasel him through here. Once again, sorry about that wind, but that's what we're dealing with today. He's tired though, so.
Picture?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Get him in the boat first.
That is a nice one. Heck yeah. 2 on the day. Like since when? Let's go. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Even if we didn't have the leader, we probably would have had a fair chance at landing her. So things just worked out very well today. I mean, look at that fish. Just a chunky fish, man. There's no way around it. Look at that back.
Chunky monkey, like that?
Oh, a chunky monkey, 110%. Well, we're gonna turn her loose, all right? Make sure she kicks off for us. Let's go. Let's freaking go! 2 plus 30s on the day. On the day!
You betcha. All right, well that was fun.
Yeah, huge swell right there.
I know. It's coming.
It is coming. The fog is coming.
The fog is... I hate that meme. I just don't get it.
The fog.
Leave me alone, bro. I was just about to leave, too.
Smallmouth! Third species on the day. We got that river slam, dude.
4. We got 4 species on the day.
Oh, that is the 4th species of the day. That's right. Just kind of disregarded that rock bass on accident. We got that river slam, dude. Smallmouth, largemouth, and a northern pike. Oh my gosh, okay. Came out of nowhere for it.
Like 4 or 5 times.
Oh, he just spat it. He just spat it, dude. He came right out of there and just inhaled it.
I said that 4 or 5 times. What is this? It's not even fair.
Fish. Nice one. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, high sticking. Like a pro.
Oh my gosh, did you see the parabolic action on my rod tip?
Yeah, that your extra fast is not supposed to have.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. That was a mistake on my part. However, we got a smarty.
Show him off to the camera.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
He's right there.
Yep.
He's
Yes,
not
sir.
very big, but he's kind of cute.
Probably has a good personality as well.
This guy held much better than a lot of the pike I've caught today. And that's saying something. That's just smallies.
Oh my gosh, came out of nowhere. Popped it. Oh my gosh, they just keep throwing it. Those little guys are just not holding on. I also didn't get a good hook set on him too, because I was like wrapped around a branch half the time when he came and hit it anyways.
Was it a pike?
Yeah, it was a pike.
Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, what? Whoa.
Oh, he came back for it? Maybe it was another one. I have no idea. Either way, we actually have this guy. right, buddy. Well, thanks for playing. I can appreciate that. All right. Is that like the third pike of the day for me? About the same size as that first one we caught, maybe a tad bit bigger. All right. Good little ham bone. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. That's one. Right there. Yeah. Slight upgrade. Oh, came off again. The hook ain't holding them very well. Half the time. They're just coming right off. It's all right though. No worries. Oh my gosh. Come back for it. Got hit again. Come on now. Third time's a charm. Oh my gosh. Dang nabbit. You thing. Okay. 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 Okay, buddy. Get out of the branches and stuff. Quit your fooling around. Well, that took a couple tries, but I mean, we got him. That's fun. That is always fun. These things are just a ball and absolutely relentless. Who doesn't love that? All right, mentally unhinged fish. Go back. The guy hit it like 4 times. They will just keep hitting it unless you spook them and they just go off. Or I guess maybe if you hook them really, really good and they're just like, nope, not going through that again. But generally, they're just relentless. Okay. Anyways, let's see if we can pull anything out of here. There are some downed logs in front of us. Just the kind of thing those hammer handles like to stack up in. So we will see. We'll see if they'll present themselves. Get over top of that log there. I am so stoked of how, like, I have not broken off yet. That makes my day a million times better. Because I can come to the river and catch pike, catch bass, you know. But I will normally lose like 2 or 3 lures snagging throughout the day. This is the same thing we've been using. I mean, we've literally changed because we're getting bit, but not because we're snagging. Like, look at that. That's a bit of a tear there, but bait's still on nice and straight. So not a problem. What up?
Multiple times over. Nothing. You got how many pike on the day? 5 now?
4.
4 pike, 3 bass. 3 bass? 3 largies and 1 smallie?
Mm-hmm. And a rock bass.
And a rock bass, so 4 or 5. Total of 8. No, a total of 9 fish on the day for you.
Oh, fish jumping out there.
A total of 4 on the day for me.
Probably a carp or something.
Never know. Maybe it's a lone bass being goofy out there. Trying to eat a bird.
Okay, if I saw any fish jump out and grab one of those birds, that would be a sight to see. Oh my gosh!
I just don't
Telling you,
understand.
those hammer handles are just
I
like,
have not had that.
they're just
I've been
nuts.
casting-
They're just
I casted
uncracked.
all up and down here.
Just
all,
uncracked, dude.
All throughout here, and I didn't get a single hammer handle. I've just been whacking them though.
Okay, okay. Freaking like 2.5 pound largemouth just come out of there.
Dude, why are you just getting everything? I
What?
can't get a single bite.
My guy. Well, he's gone. He's not nearly as relentless as like a. Oh, never mind.
Come on.
He came back for it. Look at that. Look at that fat thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Vaughn, I'm coming for you. Not quite as big as Vaughn's, but a substantial, chunky largemouth. Sweet. That's fantastic. That is quite splendid, I will say. Boom, nailed it and inhaled it. Let's go. Let's get Buddy unhooked here. Chunk, get going. All right, I'll take that. Third largie of the day. Can't say that normally happens when we come here.
With that chunk-melius mungo you just caught.
Chunk-melius. Chunk-melius mungo. I haven't heard that one before. Wait, hang on, Justin, get over here. I'm gonna need
a super glue it for you.
You need to super glue your shut.
super glue your together. All of
And
them.
then feed me Taco Bell. Did you say all of them? Ew.
You have
That
multiple.
doesn't imply I have 2. That implies I have more than 2.